Hey, what is up? This is Robin Palmer, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what this product is about, and you're going to get all my bonuses as well. And inside this Xmas Super Bundle, you're going to receive 16 products. Now, these 16 products are all the products that both Jono Armstrong and Brendan Mays have launched in 2019. So if you were about to get this, each one of these products separately, it would cost you at least $287. Now, you can get all of these products for around $19.97. Now, what you're getting here is a compilation of the products, their best selling products. And I'm talking about software, training, and I have, used many of these products to get even better results in my business. Like, for example, Cartel is one of those. Invisible is another one. Eclipse as well. Stealth, and so on. Profit Maximizer contains tons of bonuses, for example, and so on. Okay, so you're getting a lot of value here. So you're saving like 99% off the actual price. And if you decide to pick this up through me today, you can click the link below in the description to get access to this. You are going to get some of my best bonuses. For example, one of those are unlimited access for life to my bonus license membership site. Okay, so you're gonna get all my past, my current, my future bonuses that I'm gonna be creating, and you can see the results from people getting or using my content, my bonuses, my own results using my own bonuses, as you can see here. And you're also getting private label content, private label rights to my content. Okay, you can see the testimonials here. I'm gonna leave a link so you can see the sales page if you want to. Don't grab it there, okay, because you're gonna get all of this if you decide to pick this up through the link that goes to this offer here. Okay, so you're also gonna get my training here. This is a 7K per month just with affiliate marketing training, where I cover a lot about the proper mindset to making money online, the importance of getting rid of distractions. What is affiliate marketing? In the case you don't know this, if you already know this, you can skip this one. But basically, the best way that I know about getting started with affiliate marketing, in my opinion. So this is going to be a great match with this Xmas Super Bundle. And of course, you're going to get my best YouTube training ranking course as well, that shows you how to build an authority YouTube channel to outrank your competition. If you've seen my videos, you have probably seen that I rank among the first top spots for each video that I upload for ranking for different keywords on specifically launch hacking, and how we went from $500 to $5,000 per month. Okay, so that is what I can offer to you, and there's a couple of upgrades here. I'm going to talk about that in just a moment. So first of all, the Super Bundle costs $19.97, and you're going to get access to every product training software they had launched in 2019 at one time low price, which is $19.97, instead of buying them separately at $285. Now, if you decide to get the OTO 1, which is the Xmas Pro Bundle upgrade, this costs $67. This is the Pro upgrade that will give you access to every product Pro or Platinum version they ever created. Big saver on all product upgrades. So if we're talking about these products, for example, you're gonna get the Platinum version. Okay, you can see it here. Okay, Bundle Pro. Yeah. And then we have the OTO number 2. This is the license rights on everything for $197. You get 100% commissions on all their products, softwares, including their Xmas Super Bundle. So everything that you see here, all their products, you're going to get 100% commissions through those product software. And this is actually a great deal. You can sell them as your own or make, actually make twice commissions on your same effort. So definitely worth it. The option number 3 is the VIP package. This costs $197, And you're going to be able to add another income stream and benefit from their products with agency rights. You can sell them to your clients, give them away as bonuses, which is huge, okay? Because one of the things that a lot of people struggles with, especially with affiliate marketing, is to actually come up with bonuses. So with this package, you're going to be set for the pretty much for the next year, 2020. Plus you get all my bonuses, and I can really assure you're not going to get that type of offer anywhere else. Then you're going to get 1 hour live call from bicycle to top 5% affiliate with Guy Poda, which is one of their students. They're going to reveal how he used to ride on a bicycle to work and now making 7K per month. This is a real life case study that you can copy and implement on your business. So definitely this one is going to be huge for affiliate marketing. The O2 number 4 is the ultimate done for you upgrade for $197. You're going to be able to access every done for you upgrade they ever made to boost their products with done for you campaigns, funnel swipes, templates to make easy money with no extra work. So this, I really feel this is a great offer. I would definitely recommend all the upgrades because of what you are getting here. Okay, so that is what I can say. Don't forget, you're gonna get my custom made bonuses. This one is our premium training course. You're gonna get access to my past, present, and future bonuses. These are custom made. I spent a lot of time creating them. This is not private label content. And of course, you're gonna get access to my 7K training as well. Okay, so that is what I can offer. That is my Xmas Super Bundle review. Let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comment section. Don't forget, click the link below in the description. Okay, so thank you for watching my Xmas Super Bundle review, and I guess I talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.